Want to start a technology channel and don't know how to make a logo for it? The best logo is like Technical Guruji from India, Indian YouTuber, Indian Tech YouTuber. I'm going to show you how to make a logo like it. So let's get started on the content. So I'm here in my mobile screen, back in the mobile screen. So hey, we'll first install the PixArt application from Play Store. I think Guruji also has made from these kind of logo only. So I will search PixArt Photo Studio. So yeah, this is the application. You need to just click open here, and when you open, this will load with this kind of interface here. So if you know this interface, you also know this application. So just click on that plus button. Okay, just click on the plus button. I know there will be ads here. If you want to skip all these ads, you need to buy premium access of the PixArt, but I don't recommend because it will take some money here. I don't recommend to waste money. So click on edit, go and choose the background here and choose the white background. So when you choose the white background, okay, you also need a background eraser called application, and I will show you why you need that. But first, write team. So use color black. So in the middle, so click on text, click L. When you click L, just crop it here, just like this one. Okay, done. Then the next two is again go to the text there and do technical good. Also, if you want to make any time, let's click your K. Let's take here that kind of K. You can also use G here if you have a channel technical letter starting from K. Okay, done here. Then again go to the text there. When you go to the text, click L. And you go at OK. So do just what I do here. Okay, just do like here. Go to the tick button. Go to draw and click draw. And choose this and choose the color. Keep it on the white here and remove this. You don't need this one. Now remove this. Again click just here. Again go to the draw option. Now choose the color here. You shall use this color and choose this square something square and circle option here. That's called shapes option here. Just go for it, and here it is. Just click on that layer option and click on the screen. Yes, you will notice something here, but just leave it. Yes, done it. Now save this. And to save, you know how to save. Yes, just click on that arrow and click save, and click save picture on a device. Then the pictures will be saved in your device. Okay, and the next let's go to the back. Let's go back again, and when you go back again to the here, again to that here, go back, choose the white option again here. When you choose this, just go to the text and write technical. When you write technical here, you shall use this. I have something installed on you. Yes, Obsidian black. Okay, just choose the black here. Done. Click on write. just sorry for that ad here. Yeah, I know there is too much ad coming in that PixArt. When you go to draw color here and choose again that color, choose fill, okay, and choose again that kind of color that I choose previously. Yes, make it of the perfect. When you make a bit of perfect here, just make a new layer here and choose again this. Choose square and click stroke, and when you click stroke again, go to the black and make a perfect circle here. Okay, now it has been done. Now go back again and make an empty layer here and make again this, fill it and choose the white color, and when you choose the white color, just drag around it. Sorry, it was black color, you shall use white color. Just drag around it where it is. Make perfect. Okay, you have to make your logo perfectly in order to make a logo like just like him. Yes, you made a logo, and we will do this here and click on photo. When you click photo, then go to here, then choose your photo, then crop it how much you need. We don't need all this full. Yes, and go a bit that side and make here, make it inside the circle, and when you make it, okay, sorry, to also make choose an empty layer and add that option, do again that kind of one, and when I will choose this, I'll just crop here. When you cropped, just click that right button. Now arrange it to the sideways. Now write your particular name here, and your logo will be made.